Welcome to Wild World News. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Play Stupid Games, Win Stupid Prizes. Tell them who our next contestant is, Bob.
Well, if this reads the way the title sounds, this is one of those situations where police brutality would probably be given a pass. Okay, let's see what happens here. Driver claims he has, you know what, coughs at Martin County Sheriff's deputy.
A man being investigated for drunk driving began coughing toward a Martin County Sheriff's Office deputy and claimed he has been carrying the you-know-what. The traffic stop near Michael Drive for 23-year-old Christian Perez went from charges for DUI and reckless driving to assault on law enforcement and threatening a public servant. See how that escalated? Very quickly. Perez told the deputy during the traffic stop that he had suffered from you-know-what. The sheriff's office said the deputy then provided Perez with a protective mask to cover his mouth. Then Perez removed the mask and began intentionally coughing towards the deputy. The deputy was able to get the mask back on Perez and took him to... I wonder how he got it back on. There you go. Put you in the fucking car here. Perez remained at jail with a $26,000 bail. That rhymed, only to play the game. Bars! No information was available to confirm if Perez is one of the 26 people in Martin County who had contracted the you-know-what. We have zero tolerance for this despicable behavior, and anyone who threatens the health and lives of my deputies will face the maximum charge, Sheriff William Snyder said. Perez later said he made up the claim and that he was ill. Made up the claim that he was ill with you-know-what. Nonetheless, Snyder said Perez will be given a test to confirm if he is a carrier. Once the horse is out of the sorry, it's the way it was written, it's kind of far away. Once the horse is out of the barn, we have to treat it seriously, Snyder said. That's true. You can't just be running around saying nothing like that. Look at the dude's face. He looks surprised that he's in jail. He looks surprised that he's in jail. Guess that's what being drunk do to you, I guess. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I mean, what are y'all... Any of my Magnusites know this dude? Why are people still playing this game? Almost every day, y'all got something for me. Keep sending me all the crazy wild world news so we can talk about this. Man, look, now if he come out positive, them charges probably gonna fall hard on him too. Man, look. Post comments down below. Let me know what you think and how you would have gotten the mask back on Mr. Perez. I know how I would have. 10 million subscribers. Woo!